All right, guys, I'm going to give you a tour of a beautiful condo here in Oliver. It's got great curb appeal, as you can see, and it's in a great location. Jasper Avenue is just down there, about a block. And if you look this way, just down there, about a block and a half, is Oliver Square as well. So easy access to everything. And over here is Kitchener Park, which is awesome. So I'm going to show you the inside of the unit here pretty soon. Let's go take a look. Now this building is a steel frame building with concrete floors, which is a lot nicer than having a wood frame building because it's going to be quieter. You're not going to hear your neighbors as much. And it's a relatively small building too. There's only 24 units, so it's a lot more private. Okay guys, now we are inside the condo. So it opens up into a nice foyer here. You've got your closet for putting your coats and all that stuff in there. This is a linen closet here on the right. And before we go into that bathroom, let's take a look at the main area. So as you can see, it opens up into this nice big space. We've got beautiful laminate flooring here. I love the color on that laminate. It's very rich. Let's take a peek over here. So here's the kitchen. Nice big kitchen, and you've even got an eat-up bar area, and this is the living room. As you can see, you get a lot of light coming in from the windows. We're in the winter right now, so in the summer you'll get even more light. Over there we've got a beautiful gas fireplace. Let's take a closer look at the kitchen here. So kitchen's quite nice. You've got tile backsplash, which is a nice touch, and there's actually under cabinet lighting as well. Stainless steel appliances. If you take a peek over here, you could leave this area as is, decorate it nicely, or you could actually put a nice little table here, and you can eat here, or you can put it up against the wall. Lots of options. Another thing that I wanted to point out is there's this beautiful crown molding all along this area, and as you can see, you've also got modern light fixtures. Over here in the kitchen, you got a double sink, stainless steel. Plenty of storage space, so lots of room to store everything you need in the kitchen, and a nice big working area here so you can have plenty of space to prepare food and cook food. Kitchen's also set up quite nicely, where if you put a TV over there in the corner or up above the fireplace, you can watch TV very easily while you're cooking, which is a nice touch. Let's go take a look at the master bedroom. Okay, so here's the master bedroom. Got a nice big window. Again, the beautiful floors are throughout in here as well. It actually opens up here. It's a nice cutout. Let's go take a look at the ensuite. We've got two closets here, left and right, his and hers, or it can be all hers, depending on how it's gonna work for you. The ensuite's nice and modern here. You got ceramic tile floors, which is nice, and a double shower with lots of space there with a bench. So that's pretty cool as well. All right. Take another peek at the master bedroom. Now let's go look at the second bedroom here. You can enter in from over here. This bedroom's pretty roomy as well. It's actually got two closets. One of them is set up almost like another linen closet. It's easy to change though if you want sort of a standard closet. I'll show you the other closet. So this one's set up more like a normal closet. And here's the second full bathroom. So it's another 4-piece bathroom. Over here you got that half, and of course you got the tub shower over here. And I'm sure you noticed already, but this actually opens back up into the foyer. So it's really nice that you've got this bathroom here where you can make it your main bathroom for guests. They can easily come take a peek at it. Not take a peek at it, use it. Over here is actually the laundry room. So you've got stacked laundry over here and a little extra storage space over there. Let's go show you the balcony. Okay, now we are out on the balcony. It's a nice L-shaped balcony that wraps around the corner of the unit. Be a little nicer out here in the summertime. As you can see, you also have a gas hookup for your barbecue, which is nice and convenient. If you like to barbecue during the winter, it's still possible with that, or a little easier, I guess I could say. So that's the balcony. Okay, now we're in the parking garage. This is obviously where you'd come in with your car. This is where the first underground titled stall is, number 27. And this one's actually oversized, so you could use it as a handicap stall or just an extra big car or having some extra space. The second titled stall is over here, and it's number 36. This one right here, so that's the other stall for you. There's also some storage spaces over there that you can use. The unit also comes with a storage locker over here, number 16, that you can access through the parkade as well and have some extra storage space. All right, guys, that's the end of the tour. I hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to take a look at it in person, you can give me a call at 780-819-5508, or you can shoot me a text. And if you're already working with another realtor, they can reach out to me and set up a showing as well. If you're just getting started and you'd like to discuss buying, selling, or investing in real estate, you can go to my website, booktrevornow.com, and you can set up a quick call with me so I can see how I can help you out. All right, hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you next time.